Hello, today's topic is mass forms created by swept blend and created by void. Example 1, swept blend by in-place mass from the architectural tab. Architectural tab, component, model in place, generic models. Swept blend. The first step to sketch path. Set my work plane. Notice Revit did not provide me with the proper view which is parallel to my screen. Consequently, I need to go to Project Browser, South Elevation. I'm sketching the path. We need to hit Finish Edit mode after sketching the path. Then, step 2 is to select Profile 1. Edit Profile. Choose Elevation East. Open. I am creating the first profile, a simple rectangle. Finish Edit mode after finalizing our first profile. And then select Profile 2. Edit Profile. Notice I did not specify any work plane, unlike the case when I have created the first profile. I had to specify the work plane. Now I am creating the second profile, another simple rectangle, but a bigger one. Finish Edit mode after sketching the second profile, and Finish Edit mode again, and then Finish Model. By the way, Profile 1 or 2 can be moved up or down. For instance, double click and click again, and then Edit Profile. I would select that profile, move it a bit, Finish Edit mode, and finish. Finish Model. Example 2, swept blend by in-place mass from Massing and Site tab. Massing and Site, in-place mass. Set my work plane. I'm going to sketch the path. And please note that we need to define the location of the two profiles, and this is from the drawing tool, point element, that point and that. Then I would set the work plane for my first profile. I would choose Sweep East from East Elevation. Then I'm creating the second profile, so I would set the other work plane for the second profile. I would choose West, Sweep West, work plane. I am sketching the second profile, for instance to be escape, and then I need to select the path and the two profiles at the same time. South Elevation, and select my first profile, control from keyboard the second one, and control the path. Create form, solid form, finish mass. Finally, mass forms by void. Void basically is a negative mass geometry, and in order to create such mass, we need in advance to create the positive mass. What is interesting is that the creation method of void or the negative mass geometry follows the same method as the positive mass geometry, which includes extrusion, blend, sweep, etc. Example 1. Void by mass family. File, New, Family, Generic Model, Void forms. But before creating our void forms, we need to create a positive mass. Simply extrusion. I would create a simple box. Reference level and create void mass. For example, I would choose void sweep. Sketch pass. This is my pass. And finish edit mode. And double click. I would choose that elevation. Zoom to fit. My profile would be a simple profile, a circle. Go modify sweep again and finish edit mode for the third time. This is the void sweep. Example 2. Void by in-place mass. If the void as a negative mass geometry is going to be created by in-place mass from architectural tab, the solid positive mass should be created by the same way, which is in-place mass from architectural tab. I have created that solid positive mass by going to architectural tab, component, model in place, generic model. And to create the void, I prefer to go to south elevation, double click, void form, for example, void extrusion, this is my profile of extrusion, and finish edit mode. Finish model. Revit is saying you need to use cut geometry tool. If I go to, for example, the east elevation, I find my created void extrusion. I would drag it that way, and then this is the cut geometry tool that is needed to be used. So I would click on the positive mass and then click on the negative mass. Finish model. This is the void created by in-place mass.